MB&M 2024. This is a Royalmaster grinder, needle grinder. We're going to do a quick video looking at the tube cutter that we're automatically loading from. So the first thing I'm going to do is scan in our bevel program and download that. And now I'm going to start a cycle just to load and unload the parts. So the UR is going to go over and take the two pre-staged parts from the last cut and then start the installing cycle. So we are cutting 5-inch length tubes that are 65 thousandths diameter. We can cut lengths to plus or minus 1/1000 of an inch, and depending on the part diameter, we can cut anywhere from 10 to 100 parts at a single time. But for the show, we have it set up just to do 2 tubes. We're using a thin 20 thou cutting wheel that is in this enclosure here, and we're driving that wheel up and down this motor here. We have a clamping system on the linear motor here that is driving the parts in to 5 inches, so it's going to index back, clamp on the parts, and then drive them in whatever our length is that we put in the screen for the part cutter. So we have 6 collets set up for this size, so this should be the last set that it's going to load. And then it's going to load those into the end effector, and typically that's when we would start our grind cycle. But for this video, we're just going to go ahead and unload those parts